Meaning of deg.
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 Deg. Deg is an abbreviation for the word degree. It is often used in the context of temperature measurements or angle measurements. When used in the context of temperature, deg refers to degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. When used in the context of angle measurements, deg refers to degrees of an angle. In both cases, the term deg is used to express a measurement value. For example, a temperature value of 20 degrees Celsius means a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Similarly, an angle value of 45 degrees means an angle of 45 degrees.